If your Google Nest Doorbell, the battery version camera live view is showing camera unavailable or device offline whenever you try to check your front door, it doesn't work even if you tap on the retry button. Let's walk you through the common reasons behind the issue and how to get your live feed working again. Now, this basically happened due to either Wi-Fi issues, low battery, or a temporary glitch. So to check your Wi-Fi connection, you gotta make sure the router is working properly and placed near the doorbell, so you can get a strong and stable signal. If the doorbell is still showing as offline, make sure the Google Home app is up to date. So you gotta check on App Store or Play Store depending whatever device you're using, and just go ahead and install any pending app updates. Because you know what? Sometimes the live view won't work correctly if the app is outdated, even when the doorbell itself is functioning normally. Now next, we're going to just restart your phone. This can often resolve minor app glitches and connection issues. If the problem keeps persisting, the doorbell may have a low battery or may simply be frozen. So just remove the doorbell from its mount. So for a better look, we're going to demonstrate this process here. You can take the included release tool, paper clip, or a slotted screwdriver, and just whatever you're using, just insert it into the release hole at the top, press inwards, and the doorbell will detach from the base plate. Now, once removed, locate the USB-C charging port on the back and connect the doorbell to a charger. And just go ahead and let it charge for a while before continuing. Now, after it's being charged for a while, now we're gonna just manually reboot the device. So you can use a SIM ejector, paper clip, pin, whatever you got. Insert the pin into this small pinhole on the back of the doorbell and press here for exactly 5 seconds. When you see a solid white light, just release the button. This indicates that the doorbell is restarting. Just give it a couple of minutes to finish the booting up and reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Now, right after that, you can check the Google Home app again and see if the live view is working. Now, you can also reattach it to the mount or the base plate to trigger it to get active once again. If it's still showing offline, the next step is to factory reset. But keep in mind that this will erase all the recordings, events, and settings stored on the device unless you have downloaded them. Before resetting, it's a good idea to remove the existing device from the Google Home app to avoid setup conflicts. Open the app, select the offline doorbell, tap on the live view if the gear icon is not showing, open settings, then scroll to the bottom and just choose remove device and confirm when prompted. Now let's reset the doorbell. Make sure the base plate is not attached. Like before, use a SIM ejector tool or paper clip. Press and hold the same reset button inside the pinhole for exactly 12 seconds. Keep holding until you see 4 yellow LED flash and hear a reset chime. Once the lights turn off, the factory reset is complete. Open the Google Home app, tap on the plus sign from their devices, and just go through the setup process once again if the device were brand new. So after the setup is finished, let's attach the doorbell back into the mounting plate. Just give it a couple of minutes to reconnect to Wi-Fi and sync with Google Home. And hopefully the device will now appear online and the live view will start working normally again. Thanks for your time.